management operations generate greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to climate change. However, inappropriate waste management based on material and energy valorization may save emissions in the economy as a whole. For this reason, it is important to have the appropriate tools to calculate these emissions, also known as carbon footprint. The research group Sostenipra, which integrates members from the Institute of Environmental Science and Technology from the Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona, and INEDIT, and thanks to the European project Low Cost Zero Waste Municipality, has developed a carbon footprint tool for waste management, the CO2ZW. CO2ZW is easy to use and intuitive. It allows to work at different scales and with a variable amount of data. Thus, CO2ZW can be used for calculating and communicating the generated and avoided greenhouse gas emissions from waste management, assessing alternative and future scenarios, obtaining useful information for proper waste management and decision-making based on objective and sound criteria, benchmarking waste management practices of different municipalities and regions. CO2ZW allows the assessment of two main waste management stages: waste treatment and transport. In addition, it considers the most common waste fractions and the current waste treatment technologies. CO2ZW has already been used by several public administrations, such as the Catalan Waste Agency, in order to calculate the current waste management carbon footprint and to design future waste policies. What are you waiting for? CO2ZW is accompanied by a user guide to help the user through several steps. Let's start! The first step is to define the system under study and select the country or region in which it is located. Then the user introduces the available data on waste management. Make sure that you revise all the cells. In case that the user does not have data for filling any specific cell, CO2ZW will use the average values for the selected country or region. Then the user would obtain a first proxy to its carbon footprint. However, in case that more detailed data was available, CO2ZW tool would provide accurate results for the municipal waste management carbon footprint. Edit parameters. CO2ZW allows to edit a series of parameters that may have an incidence on carbon footprint. Thus, the user can adapt the waste composition, the biogas capture ratio in landfills, or the avoided credits thanks to energy and material valorization. Besides, in the control panel, the user can decide whether to calculate current or future emissions from landfills. And results. CO2ZW offers carbon footprint results through indicators of generated and avoided emissions in total per person and per ton of waste. In addition, a summary table and a selection of graphs are presented. CO2ZW can be downloaded for free from the Sostenipra platform. On this webpage, the user can register, select CO2ZW and download it. And remember, CO2ZW is an accurate and user-friendly tool for the calculation of the carbon footprint of municipal waste treatment and transportation. CO2 waste provides useful information for waste management decision and policy making.